Bonjour and welcome. Today we will learn how to pronounce the name of this famous French cake that you can find in all the French bakery called baba au rhum. The origin of baba au rhum comes from the babka, a yeast cake that can still be found in Poland and Ukraine. In fact, baba means grandmother, while babka means something more affectionate, roughly translating to little grandmother. So, how did a Polish cake made it to France? I don't know, but the correct pronunciation is baba au rhum. Baba au rhum. So, to pronounce rhum correctly, you will pronounce the H and the U like a O. Rhum. Baba au rhum. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to our channel and watch more super nice video about French pronunciation. See you, bye bye.